Hi friends, today we're going to upcycle some cheap plastic Easter eggs into pretty rustic farmhouse style decor for your home using supplies you can pretty much all find at the dollar store.
To make these decorative twine wrapped plastic eggs, you are going to need a bunch of these plastic eggs. Some of ours are so old that they have to be taped in order to stay shut, so if that's the case with yours, do so as well. You will also need some twine, some scissors to cut, a hot glue gun with clear glue sticks, and then you're going to need a paintbrush along with some paint. Any color of your choosing. I have here a few different metallic paints in coordinating colors to add some interest to the eggs. So with all the materials on hand, let's get started. Working one egg at a time. I start with this one. I'm going to take my twine in one hand and the egg in the same, and then I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the plastic egg. That, and then carefully, because hot glue is very hot, I'm going to just dab the end of this twine into the glue without touching it with my fingers, and then hold it there until the glue sets. Now that it's set, I'm gonna take my glue gun again and then just add alongside that where I just pressed it. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue and then bend the twine around, and I'm gonna start working in a circle all the way around the egg until it's wrapped. Working these small sections at a time. Add some more glue and press it down. And then I'm gonna just keep wrapping it around, because sometimes if I put a lot of glue, there's more that can hold the next wrap of the twine. So try to keep the twine as tight as possible so you don't see the plastic underneath. Now that I have this much of it wrapped, I can picture them looking so cute if I turn them. They kind of look like acorns, so I could actually even make some of these plastic eggs into decorative acorns for the fall. So I might make a point and try to do that sometime soon. Press the twine in. If the twine is too long, like I have here, then I'm gonna just cut the end off once the glue's dry. And then just hold it, because it takes a little bit of time for the glue to... And there it is, or my first egg, twine wrapped egg. Better than this, I would say, don't you think? Okay, so now it's time to add some decorative stripes to the twine wrapped eggs. And you can pretty much play around with this however you like. I'm using this pretty metallic paint in pewter, and then I have this rose color and then this oyster color metallic paint. So just taking my paintbrush and an egg in one hand, take off any of the glue bits that you have left over, and then basically just decide where and what size of a stripe you want to paint. I think for this one I'm going to do something similar to this blue painted egg and add just some paint to the bottom of the egg. Now I'm going to just add a wider stripe in the center all the way around. You can't really follow the twine exactly because it's a little bit probably wonky in spots and not completely spaced the same. So just by eye, wrap the paint around.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nature-inspired craft ideas. We have a bunch of Easter projects coming up. This is the second one in our series this year, A few days ago, we shared how to make chalky painted Easter gift jars, and pretty soon we'll have some standing felt bunnies. So be sure to look out for those. See you soon, friends. Bye.